Does Python have a sorted list? By which I mean a structure with O log n, complexity for x.push, operations, O log n, complexity to find an element, O n complexity to compute list x which will be sorted. I also had a related question about performance of list ... insert ... which is now here.
The standard Python list is not sorted in any form. The standard heap module can be used to append in O log n to an existing list and remove the smallest one in O log n, but isn't a sorted list in your definition. There are various implementations of balanced trees for Python that meet your requirements, for example libtree, optree, or pyarvel.
Is there a particular reason for your big O requirements? Or do you just want it to be fast? The sorted containers module is pure Python and fast, as in fast-to-see implementations like list and retree. The performance comparison shows it benchmarks faster or on par with Bliss sorted list type. Note also that retree, and pyarvel provide sorted dict and set types but don't have a sorted list type. If performance is a requirement, always remember to benchmark. A module that substantiates the claim of being fast with big O notation should be suspect until it also shows benchmark comparisons. Disclaimer: I am the author of the Python sorted containers module. Installation. Usage.
Though I have still never checked the big O speeds of basic Python list operations, the bisect standard module is probably also worth mentioning in this context. P.S. Sorry, bisect is mentioned in the referenced question. Still, I think it won't be much harm if this information will be here. PPS. And Python lists are actually arrays, not, say, skip lists or etc. Well, I guess they have to be something simple, but as for me, the name is a little bit misleading. So, if I am not mistaken, the bisect/list speeds would probably be for a push, O(n) for the worst case. For a search, if we consider the speed of array indexing to be O1, search should be an O log n operation. For the list creation, O(n) should be the speed of the list copying, otherwise it's O1 for the same list. UPD. Following a discussion in the comments, let me link here these SO questions. How is Python's list implemented and what is the runtime complexity of Python list functions?
Please